force looks like this, when it actually looks like this. Picture this. A thief is being chased by a cop who is not able to catch him simply because he's overweight. Now, while you imagine this predicament and come at me for fat shaming, let me tell you that this really happened in Thiruvananthapuram. Cops weren't able to catch robbers simply because they couldn't run. This article is from 2007. But not a lot has changed since then. In Assam, police officials have been told to lose weight or they will lose their jobs. 67,000 personnel of the Assam police will be weighed and their body mass index measured as Assam police is raising the bar and measuring tape. Assam DGP GP Singh had announced the state police decision to professionally record the BMI of all personnel. Singh had said they would be given time till August 15 to get in shape, after which the measuring would begin. In fact, DGP Singh was amongst the first to get his BMI measured. Clocking a BMI of 25, he passed the test. By August 31, all personnel will be similarly measured in 36 locations across the state. For this BMI, that is measured by dividing a person's weight by the square of their height, will be calculated. Those who clock in a BMI of over 30, which is classified as obese, will be sent for a health camp to the police training college under nutritionists and doctors from the government. 3 months after the conclusion of this exercise, another round of measurements will be conducted in November. Those who continue to be obese will be offered retirement except those who have genuine medical grounds like thyroidism. This all began when Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma wanted the habitual drinkers and physically unfit policemen of the state to go away. In fact, in the month of May, Haryana issued an order to transfer overweight policemen to police lines until they regain their fitness. And this is not the first time that this issue has come up in India. In 2018, the Karnataka State Reserve Police told its personnel to slim down. This was after over 100 policemen died in just a year due to lifestyle-related diseases linked to obesity. In 2012, Andhra Pradesh introduced extensive physical training for its police officers after reports show that nearly 40% of the force was overweight. From the United States to Pakistan, the issue of obesity is prevalent across the world, and many nations have attempted to reduce the incidence of obesity among other police officers. Some studies have shown that the problem might be systematic. For instance, their work is largely sedentary. Stress is another contributor to obesity. Uncertain work hours also impact the police personnel's sleep schedule. In fact, at times, even their diet. In Andamans, for instance, curry and samosas have been declared enemy number one to whip the police into shape. On the upside, there are instances where cops got into better shape. In 2017, columnist Shobha De ridiculed a policeman for being too obese. He lost 65 kgs. Recently, a Delhi cop lost 46 kgs in 8 months with a strict diet. Now, with the new criteria in order, we might see more such inspiring stories and a renewed police force.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News.